Hello everyone. So in this video we will go through how to design the REST APIs. So there are two ways to design the REST APIs. The first one is we can use REST API modeling language, which is called as RAML, and we have another way which is called Swagger, and it is also known as Open API specification. So first let's go through the RAML, which is mostly used for designing APIs in using Mulesoft. So let's go to Anypoint platform and start designing APIs using REST API modeling language. So you can go to Anypoint platform. So you can just log into anypoint.mulesoft.com, and then you will come to the Anypoint platform. And if you don't have your account, then you can sign up for the new account. You can just provide your full name, email, phone number, all these details, and you can create your new account. I already have an account, so you can see this is the MuleSoft Anypoint platform. If you click on three dots on the right side, you will be able to see there are different um, uh, there are different menus to design the APIs and to deploy and all. We'll go through all this in another videos. First, let's go to the design center where we can design our API. Here you can click on create new and select new API specification. You can give any name. I'm just giving some dummy name called ABC, and I'm clicking on create API. This is already exist. Let me select something else. So so this is here in the first line you have to select the version, which there are the latest version is RAML 1.0. There was a previous version that is 0.8, and site title you can select anything. I am just selecting your version. This is my first version, so then you can also have your base URI here. On the right side, as long as you are creating this API, you will be able to see on the right side it is generating this URL. Then my resource would be account here, so I select the account. You can see endpoint is already generated for account. Account create is already there on the right side, which will be used to create your account. So after http colon backslash localhost 8080, you can use slash account slash create, which will be your API endpoint, and it will be used to create the account. Then you can select the HTTP method. So I will use the post method. Post will be used to create the resource, create the HTTP resource. After post, I have to select the body because post will have the request body. And then what would be the data type of the API request? So I'm selecting application JSON over here. And then I have to give some example like what would be my request type here. So the example I can And what would be the response? So in case I'm just handling the success response here, we can design all the responses. In case of bad request, what will happen? In case of server down scenario, what should be the response? See the response body would be application JSON. Then what would be the response if account creation is successful? Then I can just give the example message that is saying see on the right side you can see the post method. If you click on that, you can select right, and you can see this is your request URL localhost 8080 account create, and this is your request body. So you can just try it with the dummy, this dummy request. Proxy request cannot be made to that IP address, so I think you have to enable the mocking endpoint. Okay, you have to select the mocking service here. So this is just your mock URL. It will not send the request to the actual URL because your actual URL doesn't exist till now. We have not done the API implementation. This is just a design which we are trying now. So yeah, you can see this message account created. So this is just a simple API design. Now we will go through the complex ones in the later videos, and there are still a lot in the API design. We will cover everything, but this is just the first step. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.